4 Keys for a Man to Fall in Love Forever. According to experts, men need everything: companionship, sex, and good food. Men need yes these 3 attributes, in this order: sex and passion. Companionship, says Mick Quinn, author of Power and Grace, The Wisdom of Awakening. In addition to being a good companion, listen to him even if he talks about how he did at the football match with his friends or what the car is like. Show yourself passionate and keep the spark of sex. As if this were not enough, even if your hormonal cycles rise and fall and cause some days to lose desire, you should never refuse him in bed. To show him that you are not interested in sleeping with him is a major offense that can end with love. But before we continue with the video, let me remind you to click on the card on the top right side of this video, anytime you want, and download my free ebooks. So, let's go on with this video. 1. The importance of food. Eating crap for days will put him in a bad mood. Because for them, cooking is an act of love. If mom gave them something to eat, you should do it with the same affection. And without losing your aspect of a sexy girl, of course. 2. The mystery. Besides sex, passion, companionship, good food, and understanding, you need to start working already to become a mysterious being for your guy. Men hate being given everything on a platter because they have an instinct of hunters. 3. Pay attention to the grandmother. Although there are new winds of women's liberation, of evolution in terms of social customs, the point is that you have not yet reached the bed and conventional ground. These changes have not changed gender roles. So do not belittle your grandmother's advice. She surely was, and is right. If she tells you not to beg him, not to call him, not to fall at his feet, not allowing him to see you going to the bathroom, that he feels curious about yourself and your body, and not to treat him like a fool, pay attention to the grandmother. Don't forget to click the card on the upper right hand side of this video, anytime you want, and download my free ebooks. 4. Self-esteem. For everything to work out, you must have high self-esteem. The man is like the horse: if he knows that you are afraid, he gets out of control. If he feels you safe, he will walk like a silk. A confident woman is very sexy and attractive to men. Independent girls, who respect themselves and do not look in a male the meaning of their lives, are irresistible. Please tell us your opinions in the comments section below. Source: http://www.taringa.net. To learn more about 4 Keys for a Man to Fall in Love Forever, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the image at the end of this video or the link in the description below.